So the trigonometry ratios up to transformations in the very short answer questions. Period of the functions is very important. Okay. So particularly we are going to get the questions on the sine function, cos function, tan function. Okay. So for example, okay, so we have sine of ax plus b function or sine of ax form. Okay. Then, okay, what is the period of the function? Okay. Or otherwise, cos of, if we have cos of ax plus b function or cos of ax, when we have the functions like this, when we have the functions like this, what is the formula for finding the period? Okay, so the formula for finding the period in this model, whenever the functions are in this model, the formula for this is 2 pi by mod a. 2 pi by mod a. We are taking x coefficient here. We are taking x coefficient here. Okay, so and after that tan, if we have the function tan in terms of tan of ax plus b or tan of ax. Okay, so then the formula for finding the period of the function. Okay, so for the tan, okay, so it is pi by mod a. Pi by mod a is the formula. These formula are very important for solving this. Okay, so period of the, okay, so function problems in the trigonometry. Okay, once we'll start and solve the problems on this. Okay, so here the question, we have a question here. Okay, so here for example, f of x is equals to a cos x plus b sin x plus c is a function here. Okay, this is a function f of x. This is a function f of x. Then what is the formula for finding the minimum value, maximum value, as well as range, Okay, so here what is the formula for finding the minimum value? Okay, here minimum value is equals to t minus under root of a square plus b square is the formula for finding the minimum value. And for finding the maximum value, okay, so maximum value formula is c plus under root of a square plus b square is the formula for finding the maximum value, as well as range. What is the range? Range is nothing but minimum value and maximum value. Okay, we write the minimum value in the left side, that is c minus under root of a square plus b square. Okay, and c plus under root of a square plus b square. Okay, so this is the maximum value. Okay, so for finding the range, minimum value, maximum value. Okay, we write in the left side and the right side. Okay, so once we'll discuss the problems on this. Okay, so period of the, for finding the periods as well as minimum values, maximum values, and the range. Okay, so here find the period of f of x is equals to cos of 3x plus 5 plus 7. Okay, so here what is the given function f of x? F of x is cos of 3x plus 5 plus 7 plus 7. Okay, now we are finding the period. What is the formula period of the function here? Period of, okay, cos of ax plus b. Cos of ax plus b is, okay, so what is the formula? 2 pi by mod a. For cos and sin, this is the formula. Okay, if we apply the formula here, 2 pi divided by, okay, mod a is nothing but x coefficient here. A is x coefficient. Just write the x coefficient here. Okay, so what is the answer? Final answer is 2 pi by 3. This is only the required answer. Okay, so that is nothing but we are, what is the final answer? Period of cos of 3x plus 5 plus 7, okay, is 2 pi by 3 is the required answer. Understood? Okay, if we go to the next question, find the period of, okay, f of x is equals to cos of 4x plus 9 divided by 5. What is given here? Okay, so given function f of x is equals to cos of 4x plus 9 divided by 5. Okay, so I am writing this function as f of x is equals to cos of 4x by 5 plus 9 by 5, separating the 5. Okay, so we can write this as cos of 4 by 5 into x plus 9 by 5. Now it is in the exact form of cos of ax plus b. Okay, why? Because we have the formula for period of cos of ax plus b. Okay, is, what is the formula? 2 pi by mod a, 2 pi by mod a. Okay, what is x coefficient here? 4 by 5, we write that. Okay, so therefore here period of cos of 4 by 5 x plus 9 by 5 is equals to 2 pi divided by x coefficient. Here x coefficient is 4 by 5. Coefficient is 4 by 5. We write the 4 by 5 here. Anyhow, it is positive only. So 2 pi as it is, I am writing 4 by 5. Take it to numerator. So it becomes 5 by 4. It becomes 5 by 4. Okay, so I think you can cancel by 2 table here. Okay, so 2 ones are 2 twos are 2 ones are 2 twos are. So what we get here? Okay, this is equals to 5 pi by 2. What is the final answer? 5 pi by 2 is the final answer. Okay, so once we'll go to the next question here. Okay, so if we go to the next question, so find the period of tan of x plus 4x plus 9x and so on n square x. Okay, so here, okay, so what is given here? So given function is f of x is equals to tan of x plus 4x plus 9x and so on plus n square x is the, okay, so function here. Now this is equals to, this is not in the form, required form. This is not in the required form. So we have to convert this. Okay, tan of, I am taking x common in. Okay, so if you take x common in this, 1 plus 4 plus 9 and so on plus n square into x. So here I am writing this as the tan of 1 I am writing as 1 square, 4 as 2 square and 9 as 3 square and so on n square. Can we write like this?
Yes, sir.
Yes, we have the formula sigma n square is equals to, so 1 square plus 2 square plus 3 square and so on plus n square. Sum of the squares of the natural numbers formula. Okay, that is n into n plus 1 into 2n plus 1 by 6 is the formula here. Okay, so what is the formula? Sum of the squares of the natural numbers. Sum of the squares of the natural numbers formula. N into n plus 1 into 2n plus 1 by 6. Repeat. Okay, so n into n plus 1 into 2n plus 1 by 6. Repeat once again, ma. N into n plus 1 into 2n plus 1 by 6. Repeat with me.
N into n plus 1 into 2n plus 1 by 6.
Yes, repeat this from starting completely. From starting, ma. So
n square is equal to n square is equal to 1 square plus 2 square plus 3 square plus n square. So
yeah.
n square is equal to n of n plus 1 into 2n plus 1 by 6.
Okay, once again.
N square is equal to 1 square plus 2 square plus 3 square plus 4 plus 1 plus n square is equal to n into n plus 1 into 2n plus 1 by 6.
Yes. Okay, it is very important and easy here. Just if you remember this formula, that's enough. Okay, remaining is everything is easy. So tan of, okay, 1 square plus 2 square plus 3 square. This is sum of squares of the natural numbers. We are squaring all the natural numbers. What is the total? For finding the total, this is a formula here. For finding the total, this is a formula. What is the formula? Once again, n into n plus 1 into Tell me ma, fast. 2n plus 1.
2n plus 1 by 6.
Yes. Okay, into x here. Into x. So now it is in the form of tan ax plus b means it may be 0. Plus b means it may be 0. So now I am applying the formula here. Okay, so what is the formula? Okay, so for finding the period of tan of ax
What
plus
is n
b.
in this, sir?
What is
N in the formula, sir. What is n in the formula?
n? N is a
Yes,
number.
sir.
Okay, for example, I want the square from 1 to 3 square. 1 to 3 square means just substitute 3 in this. Okay, that is 3 into 3 plus 1 into 2 into 3, 6 plus 1 divided by 6. Okay, so here 3 plus 1 is 4, and 3 here we have 3 ones are 3 twos are, okay, 2 ones are 2 twos are, 2 into 7, 2 sevens are 14. We get the 14 here. Okay, once check here, 3 square 9, 4 square 2 square 4, and 1 square 1. Okay, 9 plus 1 10 plus 4 14. Are we getting 14 or not? Like this we can
Yes.
find. Okay, 1 square to 3 square, 1 square to 3 4 2 square, 1 square to 5 square, 1 square to 100 square also. Just without writing, just by applying the formula, we can find any number square from 1 to that number square. 1 to 50 square means substitute 50 in place of n. Understood?
Yes, sir.
Okay, so that's nice. Whenever you get the doubt, ask me like this. Okay, that's very
Okay,
nice.
sir.
Okay, period of tan of ax plus b is, okay, what is the formula? Pi by mod a. What is the formula? Pi by mod a. Okay, if you apply the formula here, if you apply the formula here, so pi divided by mod a. What is the x coefficient? Complete. This is a x coefficient. Okay, this full is a x coefficient. That is n into n plus 1 into 2n plus 1 divided by 6. Divided by 6. This full into x. Sorry, no x. Pi by mod a. So this denominator. Okay, in the denominator we have. Okay, so again denominator. So write it with. Okay, so go to numerator. Otherwise, write in the reciprocal. Okay, pi into 6 divided by n into n plus 1 into 2n plus 1. Okay, so that is nothing but final answer is 6 into pi whole divided by, okay, n into n plus 1 into 2n plus 1. 2n plus 1. Okay, this is the final answer. This is the final answer. Understood?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So, do you have any doubts?
No, sir.
Okay. So now we'll go to the next question here. Find a cosine function whose period is 7. This is reverse. This is reverse. Period answer is given. We have to find the question. We have to find out the question. So what is given here? So given, what is given? Period of cosine function means cos. Cosine. Okay, so function is equals to 7. Okay, what is the formula for finding the cosine function? 2 pi by mod a. 2 pi by mod a. Okay, so this is given as 7. This is given as 7. So 2 pi is equals to 7 into, taking this mod a to that side, here it is dividing. If you take it to that side, multiplies. Take this 7 to this side. So 2 pi by 7 is equals to mod a. 2 pi by 7 is equals to mod a. What is a? If you remove the modulus symbol, we get the plus or minus here. Okay, so that means plus or minus 2 pi by 7. Plus or minus 2 pi by 7 is the value of a. Now, okay, so we got the value of a. So based on this, we have to write the cosine function. Therefore, okay, required cosine function is equals to, okay, therefore required cosine function is equals to cos of ax plus b. We don't know the constant. That's why we write cos of ax. Okay, this is the formula for cos of ax or ax plus b. We don't know the constant value. So writing this as cos of, okay, ax plus or minus 2 pi by 7 into x. Okay, this is the required solution. Required solution. Okay, cos of minus theta, also a cos theta. Okay, now negative or positive, we get positive only. Okay, so we can write it as cos of 2 pi by 7 into x. 2 pi by 7 into x. Cos of minus theta is cos theta. Since cos of minus theta is cos theta. Understood? Next. So find a sine function whose period is 2 by 3. Whose period is 2 by 3. So similar way, we have to apply here. Okay, so given, what is given here? Okay, so period of sine function. Period of sine function. Period of sine function is equals to sine of ax. Okay, whenever we have the function sine of ax, so the formula is same for cos and sine. 2 pi by mod a, a value is given as 2 by 3. This is a formula, this is given value. Okay, similar way we apply here. Okay, so cross multiply here, 3 into 2 pi, 3 into 2 pi is equals to 2 into mod a. Take this 2 also this side, 3 into 2 pi divided by 2 is equals to mod a. Okay, here we can cancel. Here we can cancel this 2 and 2. 2 and 2. Okay, so if we cancel this 2 and 2, then what is remaining here? What is remaining here? So mod of a is equals to 3 pi, or we can write a is equals to plus or minus 3 pi. A is equals to plus or minus 3 pi. Okay, so now what is the answer? Therefore required. Therefore required sine function. Required sine function is equals to sine of ax plus b or sine of ax form. We write sine of okay, so plus or minus 3 pi, a value into x, a value into x. This is the required solution. Understood?
Yes, sir.
Next, find the maximum and minimum values of the function. Okay, so maximum and minimum values he is asking. What is given here? First write the given data. Given that f of x is equals to 3 into cos x plus 4 into sin x. 3 into cos x plus 4 into sin x. Okay, by comparing. Okay, so by comparing with a cos x plus b into sin x plus c, then what is the value of a? What is the value of a cos x coefficient? 3. What is the value of b sin x coefficient? 4. What is the value of c constant? There is no constant here. Okay, that's why it is 0. That's why it is 0. Now take the formula. What is the formula for finding the maximum value? Maximum value formula is c plus under root of a square plus b square. Okay, now substitute the values here. Okay, c 0 plus under root of 0 plus under root of a square, 3 square, b square, 4 square. Okay, that means under root of 0 plus means okay, so there is no change in the value. So 3 square is 9, 4 square is 16, 9 plus 16 is 25. Root 25 value is 5. What is the value of root 25? That is 5. Okay, so now we'll find the minimum value. What is the formula for finding the minimum value? Minimum value is equals to c minus under root of a square plus b square. Okay, so this is equal to 0 minus under root of 3 square plus 4 square. Okay, minus as it is under root of 3 square 9, 4 square 16, that is root 25. Okay, root 25 is 5 square, square root cancel. So this is okay 5, but outside we have the minus sign, so it is minus 5. Okay, just we are going to write the maximum value and the minimum value. This is maximum value, this is minimum value. Okay. Okay, if you want to write the value separately, otherwise you can leave here. Maximum value is equals to, therefore maximum value is equal to plus 5 and the minimum value is equal to minus 5. Understood?
Yes.
Okay, so next question, find the maximum and minimum value of f of x is equals to 3 sin x minus 4 cos x. Similar way. Okay, so by comparing with a cos x plus b sin x plus c. Okay, what is the value of a cos x coefficient? Minus 4. What is value of b sin x coefficient? 3. What is the c value? There is no constant c. 0. There is no constant c here. Okay, so now what is the formula for finding the maximum value? Tell me formula, ma. C plus under root
C
of,
plus root of a square plus b square by
that's it. Okay,
yes.
so what is C0 plus root of a square minus 4 whole
Minus
square
4 whole
plus
square
3
plus 3.
square. Okay, minus 4 whole square is 16, 3 square 9, so 16 plus 9 is root 25. Root 25 value is 5.
5.
Okay, 5 square means 5. Okay, what is the formula for minimum value? Now tell me the minimum value
C
formula.
minus
Yes, tell me fast, completely.
C minus root over a square plus b square.
Very good. Okay, so now tell me the values. 0 minus
0
under root
minus
of,
root over
yes, plus 3 square.
3.
Okay, so now this is equals 4 square 16 and 3 square is 9. Okay, outside we have minus sign,
25
so root of minus root 25, that is minus 5.
minus
That
5.
is minus 5. Maximum value, minimum value. Understood?
Yes.
No.
Now only we did the sum of sum.
Yes, but small change. Plus and minus is different. Plus minus difference we have. Okay, so here, what is given question, ma? Given
7 cos x minus
is equal
24
to
sin x plus
7
5.
cos x minus 24 sin x plus 5 plus 5. Okay, so here by compare. Okay, so I am comparing now. Okay, by comparing with a cos x plus b sin x plus c. By comparing with this function, what is a value, ma? A value cos x coefficient 7, b value sin x coefficient minus 24, constant is 5. Constant is 5. Okay, so now what is the formula for finding the range? What is the formula for finding the range? Okay, so range is equals to minimum value we write in the left side, that is c minus under root of a square plus b square, comma, maximum value we write in the right side, that is c plus under root of a square plus b square. Understood?
Yes.
So now I am applying the formula here. Okay, values. Okay, then c value is 5 minus under root of a square plus b square, that is 7 square and minus 24 whole square. Okay, comma, c 5 plus under root of 5 a square and b square minus 24 whole square, minus 24 whole square. Okay, this is equals to 5 minus, what is 7 square value, ma? 49. What is 24 square value? 24 square.
576.
576.
6.
Very good. 576, comma, 5 plus, okay, under root of 7 square is 49 and 24 square is 576. Okay, now this is equals to Okay, 5 minus 576 and 49. Okay, from this 49, okay, so I'm adding how much? 24. I'm adding 24 in this for making 600. 24 is less. Adding 24. How much is remaining? 25. So this 600, this 25, 625. Under root of 625, comma 5 plus here also we get the 625 only. Okay. So now this is equals to okay, 5 minus 625 is 25 square, right? 625 is
Yes.
25 square. Okay, 5 plus root of 25 square. Okay, what is the okay? We can cancel the square and root, right? We can cancel the squares and roots of 25. Okay, so if we cancel, then what we get? 5 minus 25, comma 5 plus 25. What is 5 minus 25 value? What is 5
20.
plus 25 value?
30.
Sorry, very good. This is the required range. This is only the required range. Okay.
Range.
So next, here he is asking the value of maximum and minimum values. Okay. So here also a little bit change here. So what is given here? What is given function? Given function f of x is equals to 5 sin x plus 12 cos x minus 13 minus 13. Okay, when we compare by comparing, okay, by comparing with a cos x plus b sin x plus c. By comparing with this, what we get, ma? Okay, what is a value? If cos
A
x
is equal to
coefficient
5,
is 12.
B is equal to 12, C is equal to minus 13.
Okay, take the same coefficients, that's better. Anyhow, we get the same answer, no change in the answer. A cos x we written as a cos x, so cos x coefficient is 12. B sin x we written, so sin x coefficient is 5. And the constant is minus
equal to
13
minus
here. Minus 13. Here is he asking the range or maximum minimum values only? Maximum minimum values only. Whatever he is asking, take that formula, substitute like that only. Substitute like that only. Okay. So now he is asking the maximum value. Okay. So what is the formula for finding the maximum value? Maximum value. Okay. So maximum value is equals to c plus under root of a square plus b square. Okay. This is equals to, okay, c plus means minus 13 plus under root of a square plus b square. A square plus b square. That is minus 13 plus 12 square. What is 12 square value? 144. What is 5 square value? 25. 5 square is 25. Okay, so now this value is minus 13. We write as usually 144 plus 25. How much, ma? So 169 under root of 169. 169 is nothing but
13.
yes, 13 square root cancel, minus 13 plus 13, that is equals to 0. Okay. What about minimum value formula?
C minus A square root over A square minus B square.
Yes. Okay. So c minus under root of a square plus b square is equals to. Okay. So tell me the values, substituting the values, minus 13. Okay. Minus under root of
Root over
12.
12 square plus 5 square.
Yes, 12 square plus 5 square. Next step.
Same set. 144 plus
144
1.
and 25. Okay, next step.
Minus 13 minus root over 169. Minus
Yeah.
13 minus 13.
Square. Okay, minus 13 minus 13. What is the minus 13 minus 13 value? Minus 26. Okay. Understood?
Yes, sir.
Okay, so these are the problems.